Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Happy Monday. First of all, I just want to tell everybody happy Monday, and I definitely appreciate y'all for like, comment, and subscribing. See, you don't have to be perfect to do this as long as you do it. But I definitely appreciate y'all, and I just want to say thanks and have a great week. What I wanted to talk to y'all today about the things that people value. Guys and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you, people will pay for what they value. All you have to do is go in the iPhone store. People value that, so they pay money for it. And if you have a business and you show enough value, they will get into it. You don't have to keep following around, chasing people down, this and that. When they want to sign up, they'll call you and sign up. Or else you'll get a notification that they sign up. I get them all the time. So all you have to do is present enough value and people will buy the product. That's it. Sales 101. Anyway, if you like this video, please like, comment, and share it. I'm about to finish my exercise because it is getting windy out here, but it's nice out here, y'all. Y'all should come to Texas. Hey, but anyway, please like, comment, and share it. And if you want to know what I'm doing, share it out to people. Share it. 25sidehustles.com. Once again, that's 25sidehustles.com. And y'all be good. Deuces.